Is anybody these days? Oh, I've been a liar. Pointed a finger when I started the fire, and I've never been one to pray. I hope for someone like you. After the hurt and the heartbreak, you made me believe in something new. Baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me. After the hardest night, you're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Very Smart Kenya. In case you're new here, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on that notification bell so that anytime I post any new video, you'll be among the first people to be notified. And for my returning family, thank you so much and welcome back to this channel. For the new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing and welcome to this family. To my premier gang, thank you so much guys for always being here. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you and welcome back to this channel. So today is vlogmas day 12. Hey, this vlogmas honestly is not easy. It's not for the faint hearted, because we really try a lot. Like now we're in December, and in baking business we get a lot of orders, which we thank our clients for. So combining with vlogmas, hey, it's not a joke. Honestly, I'm so sleepy, I'm so tired, but I have to do a vlog for tomorrow, vlogmas day 12. So please guys, if you're watching this video, please don't skip any ads in this video. I will really appreciate so much. So today I'm going to be doing a green grocery shopping on, because I went to the market, and then after that I'm going to be doing a fridge cleaning and organization. So now let's get started. I got some cucumbers, and then I got some green capsicum. I have red and yellow capsicum here. These were 100 bob for these three, but for this each was 50 shillings, but all of these was 1 kilo at 100 bob. And then I got these big chilies. I have some courgettes. It's been ages since I went for shopping, so I didn't have a lot in the house. And then I have some fruits here. I have some pawpaw. Oh wait, one is already mashed a little bit, so I have some pawpaws here. And then I have some bananas. These were discounts, the 2 extra. Also got some arrowroots. I also got some butternut. I took 2 pieces each. This one was 30 shillings and this one was 20 shillings. I got some tomatoes. This was for 150. I went to Wakulima market and the prices there are very friendly. And then this I got 2 kilos at, each kilo was 40 shillings or 60. I can't recall, but it was somewhere around that amount. And then I got this. This was going for 60 shillings. I got 3. And finally, I got some mangoes. I usually choose to buy unripe fruits because by the time they reach home, some get mashed, like this one. As you can see, it got mashed when I was transporting. So that's all I got for today. This is going to be taking me through December because I'm home alone. But for the mangoes, I'm going to be dividing some and send them to my mom's place. I don't take bananas personally. My son really loves bananas, but I don't take bananas because they give me a lot of gas and heartburn. So this and some mangoes are going to be I'm going to take them to my mom's place. And also I'm going to be taking like 2 pineapples. I'm going to be remaining with 1. So yes. I'm going to be adding some vinegar.
Take me to church with your love. Since I was a child, I never made the best choices. My heart can run wild. I get distracted with pretty voices, but my past lovers were wrong. Knew it from how their love was given. I feel right since they've been gone. Since you became my religion, baby, like a sunrise.
I'm now removing everything from the fridge so that I can clean the fridge and also wipe all this stuff and then return them to the fridge.
Like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. You take me to church with your love. You take me to church with your love. You took me down to the river.
This is how my fridge looks like. It's very dirty. I've already removed the shelves and I've already washed them. So now I want to wash this and then arrange everything back to where it belongs. I'm just using normal water with some cleaning detergent and of course a scrubber.
It's different now with no sinners breaking my heart, and I don't feel the hurt I used to be made of. 'Cause you take me to church without you, love. Yeah. Like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You give me reason to believe that it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen, hallelujah, thanking God's above.
That's for the first round, for the scrubbing part. And then after I'm done washing the fridge, I'm going to be coming back to rinse with clean water, and I'm going to be adding some vinegar.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
I've just added some vinegar in the water, so now I want to like rinse the fridge. This makes sure it really smells nice and fresh. Vinegar is really a nice freshener for our fridge.
Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown, but we both know how to swim. No worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Finally, our fridge is clean and smelling nice. So now we're going to be returning everything that was in the fridge. So, and we are starting with the freezer.
I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. There's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow.
As for the pepper, I'm not wrapping them, and then I'm going to be putting on this other side. Wait a minute. As for the cucumber, as for the gourget, I usually wrap 2 apart from this that remained, because I usually cook 2 per each meal. So I'm going to be arranging them on this. Today I'm not going to be wrapping the green and yellow pepper.
Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
So now I'm going to be arranging everything in the freezer, like in the fridge. The tomatoes, I'm going to be putting them in this big box or moist fresh zone. These are the ones that I'm going to be using. Next, I bought more capsicums than I do, especially the yellow capsicums. So the milk was misplaced, so I was forced to put in the other fridge.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to.
So now guys, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching till now. Thank you so much for your support. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so, and make sure you like this video, share it widely, and please tell a friend to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, bye bye.